Hey, hope you're having a great Sunday. I'm here eating breakfast at this nice spot that I come all the time, and I was just speaking to the staff here, and we were talking about how important it is to make everything with love, and that's why I keep coming back over here, because they make the food with love, and so it tastes even better, right? And then the lady was like, you know, everything has to be made with love in order to be beautiful, in order to be great. Nothing can be great without love. So ensure whatever you're doing today, that's my message, and that's why I'm jumping on this video. Aside to tell you to start your business online, to start making an extra income by visiting our company at www.masterinvestor.life. We will teach you how to build your asset column, how to get in the fast track. If you need capital management, if you want to invest your capital, we also have those options for just the people that want to invest their capital, make it work hard for them, and they don't have to do the hard work or any of that. But if you want to, jump on the horse and start building your own asset column, we can also help you with our team to do that. But the important message is that ensure that everything you're doing is aligned with your passions. That way you can put all the love in the world to it. And when you do that, you're going to stand among the rest. And it's really working on our craft every day that makes us the greatest ever. A lot of people don't understand that. It's working over and over again on our craft every single day. While everybody's sleeping, we're doing it. While everybody's partying, we're working on our craft. We're getting a little better every day. It's not a one-shot kill. We do it compounding every day. We do something that is aligned to our bigger goal. And eventually we'll have a big wall. We'll lay a brick at a time every single day as perfectly as we can. And we wake up the next day with a to-do list. We tackle that to-do list. We build on what we left on yesterday and focus on today. That whatever activities you're doing, they're activities that are aligned to the bigger picture. You gotta make sure that we don't waste our time, because it is critical, that you understand time, once it's gone, and we can't buy it back, we can't get it back. So time is our most precious asset, okay? So take care of your time, invest it well, leave a comment below. If you have any questions, go ahead, drop your questions. Follow us here on YouTube and all other social media platforms at Master Investor. I hope you're having a great end of the year. Ensure that you come in strong on that new year, 2021. And make sure that you're becoming more generous as you grow. How can you serve more people should be our question. How can we serve more people? When we serve more people, we become richer. Think of a need and fill that need in the marketplace. All right, you already heard it. Much love. Take care. Hope you're having a great Sunday. Mine is fantastic. Let me know your feedback. Much love. Take care. Be great.